Hello and welcome to Pliers, your ultimate resource for everything Pliers. Today I'll show you a special type of pliers for installing small snap buttons. These pliers are extremely useful for replacing small snap buttons on your baby's clothing. Let's explore them after this break. There are many types of snap button pliers, both heavy duty and light duty. For this video, I am using the light duty snap button pliers, specifically the BIOUU metal snap buttons and pliers kit. But if you're interested in heavy duty snap button pliers, please check out the video I have linked above. So the BIOUU metal snap button pliers kit comes with a pair of hard plastic pliers and 100 sets of snap buttons. The button sets come in a nice plastic enclosure for easy storage and transportation. As you can see, the pliers have nicely molded handles that offer a firm hand grip. In addition, the jaws have some rubber gaskets that hold the metal snaps in place, allowing you to set the tool on the workpiece without the snaps falling off. What stands out about these pliers is that they are light on the hands, they are spring-loaded for easy setup, and have a locking lever to keep them closed during storage. But most importantly, the kit is inexpensive. I got it for less than $10. So this is how you use snap button pliers to install snap buttons. I am going to install some snap buttons on my baby's feeder to replace the failing velcro strips. As you can see, installing snap buttons using snap button pliers is quite easy. You only need to set the snap buttons properly on the pliers and squeeze them in place. However, you must make sure the two parts are properly aligned for great results. I recommend using a marker pen to mark the points where you're going to install the snaps. That's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to my channel to learn more about pliers. This is the only place you'll find pliers you've never heard about. Bye bye and see you again in the next one.